The Philistines had gathered their forces for war against Israel. A champion named Goliath, who was from Gath, came out of the Philistine camp. He was very tall and covered with armor. He defied Israel, telling them,
Christians, for 40 days I've came forth and challenged you. Send forth one man to fight Goliath. If your man wins, we will be your slaves. But if we win, you'll be ours. Is there not one man amongst you who will come fight him? No? Well, let it be known, there's no God in Israel.
A young shepherd boy named David came into the camp bringing supplies to his family. When he arrived, he was told the story of Goliath.
You see that man? He comes to challenge Israel.
The king said he would give lots of money if you could beat him.
I can fight him, but you're just a boy, and he is so big. Are you mad?
Nope.
I can fight him. I could kill a bear and a lion with my bare hands. God will be with me.
Are you kidding me? This is what y'all sent to fight Goliath? He's going to chew you up and feed you to the beasts of the fields. But so be it. Goliath! You got a challenger. He's going to beat you.
So tall.
The giant took a step forward, but the boy reaches down and picks up a stone and puts it in his sling. The sling goes round and round and flies out and hits Goliath on the forehead. Goliath crashes to the ground and David picks up his sword and slays him. And that day, David and the Israelites won a great victory over the Philistines. Do you have giants that you are facing in your life? 1 Peter 5, verse 7 tells us, throw all your worries on him because he cares for you. Just as David conquered Goliath, Jesus won the victory for us over sin, evil, and death at the cross and through his glorious resurrection. Amen.
Amen.